G'day folks, welcome to another Forex Adventures video. Well, the world has changed completely since my last video to you. We are all in lockdown. Some countries have tighter restrictions than others, but mostly we're all told to stay at home, practice social distancing, wash your hands, stay away from other people. So hopefully all these measures will work and we'll beat the coronavirus, and then we can get back to life as normal. And especially for me, I can go on some fantastic trips and film those for you. So I'm very looking forward to that point in time. But at the moment, I realise that quite a lot of you are sitting at home watching YouTube all day, and you're probably extremely bored looking for something to do. So I thought that I would give you a challenge. And the challenge is, how much do I weigh? No, not me, the car. How much does the old FJ Cruiser weigh? So if you haven't seen the Forex Adventures FJ Cruiser build video, check it out on this channel. I'll put a link up here as well. It is absolutely brilliant and makes life on the road a joy. And you can then have a better guess at exactly how much this vehicle might weigh. Now, I know exactly how much it weighs because I've been to a weighbridge, and I have the answer in my hand right here. I've got the front and rear axle weights, and of course the combined weight. So if you want to have a guess at how much the FJ Cruiser weighs, let me know. You can submit your answers in kilograms or pounds or whatever unit of measurement you like. I will find a way of converting it. So I'm looking for the person that can answer this to either the exact weight or to the nearest kilogram. And I've decided to give a prize. And the prize will be one roll of toilet paper. Yes, these things are worth their weight in gold. And so if you get the correct answer, I will ship you one roll of toilet paper. That's all I can afford because I'm funding these things myself. So anyway, I hope that's a bit of fun for you guys. If you want to get really scientific, open up Excel, get all the weights off the internet, have a look at the video so you've got an idea of what I've got in the car, and then you can work out the answer. So there you go. That's something to give you something to do. So I've also got a bunch of videos in mind to do in the near future about various things that you might be interested in. I've got a FAQ video about the hot water system. I've got a video coming out about the solar panel and how to install a solar panel. So if you're interested in that, stick around. And hope you all stay happy and safe and well. If you haven't subscribed, click on subscribe, click on the bell so you'll be notified. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.